Hello, welcome to my new video. In this video, I will tell you about Power BI Desktop. So this is the Power BI Desktop, and I have Power BI version. Just Power BI. I have a version December 2019 64 bit. Okay, so this is the ribbon of Power BI Desktop, and I have ribbon of Power BI Desktop. This is the report tab, this is a data tab, and this is the model tab. Okay, this is the workspace that where you want to create dashboards. Okay, this is the filter pane, this is the filter pane, this is the visualization pane, and this one is fields pane. Okay, so Power BI Desktop, there are many ways that where you want to get data from different database tools. In Power BI have Excel datasets, SQL Server, analysis service, CSV, web, and many more. Okay, so I have a Excel datasets. First, I want to show what I want. Excel sample data. Okay, then open, and I can take just sales orders. So now I have import data from Excel. Uh, this is the sales order, and these all are column. These are all column from sales order. Okay, so now I'm creating visualization. There are many visualization in Power BI desktop. These are the bar charts, map visualization, table visualization, filters, Bing map. Okay, so now I'm creating visualization. First I'm select region, then select unit cost. And by default Power BI select table visualization, but right now I'm moving from moving to different visualization like charts, bar charts, color cluster chart. For example, I am taking cluster bar chart. Okay, so see, this is a visualization by this is a visualization region by total by sorry unit cost. Okay, this is the region. If you want to filter, sorry, if you want to format this visualization, so you can go the format pane. This is a general. In general, you can set height, width, and axis, x-axis, y-axis. Okay, and you can change colors, data colors, bar colors. For example, I'm selecting this one. If you want to select different bar colors, different bar colors by regions. For example, here I want black. Sorry, black, and here I want pink. Okay, and if you want to set title, change title, so you can change here by okay, unit cost. Okay, if you want to set background color and font color. So you can change font color here and background here, background color here. Now moving on, alignment setting, center, right, left, okay, font family. And here if you want to change visualization background color, visualization background color, so you can change, you can set background color from here. For example, I'm selecting light blue, okay. Transparency you can set here, a light and dark, okay. now now I'm creating one more visualization. For example, item, select item and units, okay. Look, see, power way select, when you select columns from the table, so power way select will select default visualization, that is table, okay. If you want to change different visualization like pie chart, so you can change here, okay. If you want to format, so you can format here. If you want legend, so you can enable, otherwise disable. Data colors, you can set data colors from here, like this one. Power BI has many functions like formatting, detail labels. It's the most important functions. Like, see, this is a, it has many sub functions like category, data value, percent of total. For example, I am selecting data value. So see, for example, I am selecting percent of total. This, so see, first I need to maximize font size. Then you will look better. Now, now it's fine. Okay. Now see, category vendor 722. Its account dash 10. Its account 278. Its account. If you want to see this, if you want to see percentage by category, by item, by item category, so you can select percent of total. See, okay. Now, if you want to if you want to see in this visualization all things like value, percentage and item names, so you can select all detail labels. See, okay. So moving on, uh, if you want to, if you want to filter in this two visualization from different at, from different attributes, so you can select like item, no, uh, okay. See, it's filters. If you select, if you select Howard, then both visualization will filter. John, both visualization will filter. Andrews, both visualization will filter. If, okay, this is the behavior of the Power BI desktop. Uh, oh, oh, okay. And one most important thing is that if you restrict in, if you want to restrict whole page by restricted data, so you can select and drag and drop here. And if you want to this page. If you want to see this page by uh, region, by region only, by selecting region only central. Okay, so it's okay. Sorry, it's my mistake. If you want to filter, if you want to filter whole page by restricted data, like region only east and west, see, there is no data of central. If you want to see only central data, you can select central. Okay, if you want to see only east data, so you can select east. Okay, there are many ways for this is the Power BI ways of Power BI desktop behavior. This is the behavior of the Power BI desktop. I hope you mm, I hope you get all points from my side, and uh, I will try to guide you in my next video. Ways of publishing environments. I mean, how to publish your dashboard in Power BI services and Power BI report server. Okay. If you like my video, so please like, share, and do subscribe my channel, please. Thank you.